part 2 of our huge haul from our favorite little yellow app. Everything is going to be linked in my bio. It's going to take you to my Beacons page. From there, you click the item you want, takes you straight to the website, and you can order. So let's jump in. First, box is okay. I mean, got a little bit of chips on it, but that's all right. It's just a box. I am obsessed with this bag, like literally obsessed. Comes with like all the little paperwork, little dust bag, came in some nice little paper, but y'all, for the summer, are you kidding me? I am literally in love with this little bag. It has the little gold chain with the leather going through it. Quality on this one is, I would say 10 out of 10. Like for the beach with a little black dress to go out, obsessed. 10 out of 10, take my money, all of it. I love it. So that one was a hit. Next, we have a little Louis Vuitton box. Got a little bit banged up, but that's okay. I'm like I feel actually all of these bags today are little black bags. So if you're in the market for a black bag, you have come to the right place. I really don't have any black bags, so that's why I think I kind of went on like a spree of little black ones. But are you kidding me? She is so cute. And I looked it up. You can do this and make it into like a little pouch bucket bag. Let me show y'all. Quality on this one is really good. I'd say this one's a 10 as well, especially since you can do this, if I can do it. It's like a little dumpling bag. She's so freaking cute. The strap is adjustable. The gold on here is really good. This has like a little protective cover over it right now that I didn't take off, so it's not that dull. It also comes with another strap to make it a crossbody. You take it, I had to Google it because I'm like, well, where am I supposed to put this? Dum-dum. Take this off and then it attaches right here. So you could turn it into a crossbody. We love her. Like, she's so cute. I'd probably loosen it a little bit more because my hair would get stuck in it. But I love that you can adjust it. It also comes with a cute little coin purse, a little addition. So also linked in my bio. This one is, I love it. So freaking cute. 10 out of 10. Hit a grand, what is it, a grand run? Hit a home run. Oh my God. Love her. Next, we have a little YSL moment. Box is boring, random little cardboard box, but it's what inside that counts, right? She is so cute. Came with a little dust bag. This one, I would say, she's cute, but I would say quality is probably, I'd say like a 7, honestly. I don't really like how long the strap is. And I think this is, yeah, this is the shortest it could go. But she's still cute. She could have a moment. You can tighten the sides to kind of make it, you know, scrunched like that. Inside is just wide open. It's a good little dump bag. It came with, you know, some little name tags and things like that. But quality's like 7. She's still cute. We like her. Maybe like for like throwing in a bunch of random stuff for a car ride type bag. Love her. So grab that also at the link in my bio. And then last, I said they were all black bags, but I lied. This one's a little white one, but she's still so cute. Quality on this one, 100% 10 out of 10. Like the white is like a good, it's like a little bit of an off-white. It's kind of picking up super, super bright, but that's just from my ring light. Inside is really cool. I have this in black, I believe, because it's like the little wallet on a chain. So it has the little card holders on the inside, zipper, and then a zipper up here. But quality on this one, like I said, the gold is really good. The strap has like the leather going through it. I really like this. It is like the perfect going out little clutch. She's cute. She looks cute with my outfit too. So everything will be linked in my bio. Shipping takes around a month, so be patient. And I hope y'all enjoyed this and come back for part 3.